I'm going to explain why Carl Wheezer wasn't a good friend to Jimmy Neutron. If you have not seen the show Jimmy Neutron, then you're not going to understand. But if you actually watched it and paid attention, you're going to see my point. Like, subscribe, turn notification on, share to at least one friend, comment down below. You can share it to more than one friend, it helps me out a lot. Comment down below if you agree, because you know that I'm making the greatest point in human history. So we're going to get into it. Jimmy Neutron was a show I used to watch, and maybe a lot of us to watch as kids. Carl Wheezer's not a good friend to Jimmy Neutron, because Carl Wheezer was always trying to get with Jimmy's mom. If you're a bro, if you're a real homie, you would not really do this. This is like a different type of bro code. You don't be trying to rizz up moms. That is against the rules. He was always like, "Hey, Jimmy's mom." If somebody would did that to my mom, they would be left in pieces. Because you don't try to rizz up my mother. I'll see you in the next video.